Hurricane Headquarters, sponsored by Entergy.
Tonight, all eyes on the Gulf. We are your hurricane headquarters as Tropical Storm Francine continues to swirl to the southeast of Brownsville before it prepares to make a turn to the north. Here are three things you need to know tonight. The tropical storm is expected to strengthen overnight, and it looks like southeast Texas will be on the edge of the storm, but it is forecast to hit the Louisiana coast possibly as a Category 2 on Wednesday. Good evening to you. I'm Jordan Williams. Cameron Parish already under a mandatory evacuation order. That's where Kyle Orr is tonight. He's speaking with emergency management officials to see how they're preparing. But first, let's bring in Chief Meteorologist Patrick Vaughn. Patrick, I know you just got some of the updated information, that 10 p.m. data coming out. What are you seeing?
Right now, it looks like southeast Texas has just been taken out of the cone, and we're not surprised by the strong upper level shear that is expected from the southwest. Right now, the storm has not intensified this evening, still remaining a tropical storm with winds of 65 miles an hour. And as you can see, an eye starting to show up on radar. That's about 125 miles to the southeast of Brownsville, still moving to the northwest at 5 miles an hour with winds of 65 miles an hour. You can see it's a lopsided storm with intense convection to the north of the center and also to the west, but it's devoid of shower and thunderstorm activity in the southwest quadrant. Maybe a few showers and storms trying to rotate around that center, and we do expect this to intensify into a hurricane overnight. So here's the latest track. Let me get on this side of it so you can see. It is expected to become a hurricane tonight. There's the wind field of tropical storm force winds, and then heading on in to the coastal waters of southeast Texas. Wednesday is a Cat 2, and as you can see, the cone has moved and shifted further to the east because of that southwest wind flow, and then making landfall in Vermilion Parish as a Cat 2, and then weakening pretty quickly as it moves ashore in towards Acadiana to our east. Now, taking a look at the weather impacts, let's check in with meteorologist Kerry Cooper.
Yeah, we want to bring Kerry in. He's also in the studio with us tonight. Kerry, what are you thinking about things here in southeast Texas?
Well, Jordan, if the track continues on the updated track we just got in from the National Hurricane Center at 10 o'clock, we're expecting on and off rains and some pretty gusty winds across southeast Texas. I think they'll be scattered tomorrow, a little more numerous tomorrow night into early Wednesday. Now, if we see a little more of an easterly trend later tonight, tomorrow, we may see very little, if anything, in southeast Texas. But right now, we're forecasting some rain and winds 1 to 3 inches across southeast Texas, winds 25 to 40, and of course, some higher gusts, especially near the coastline coming up. Now, let's take a look at computer model predicted wind gusts across southeast Texas Tuesday into Wednesday. You can see anywhere from 20 to 30 miles an hour. And once again, we'll have some gusts, though, up to about 40, especially near the coastline. Of course, tropical storm warnings are in effect for Jefferson, Orange County. We should see some gust in that tropical storm force rim anyway. Now, here's model rainfall predictions. You notice they've dropped a little bit since the trend has been farther to the east. We're expecting 1 to 3 inches across southeast Texas, less up to the north, and certainly a lot less in the west. And of course, more heavier rains closer to Francine across central and southern Louisiana. So Jordan, let's hope this easterly trend continues and we can even lower these numbers tomorrow.